Hello, today I'm going to talk about the Glade Air Freshener Aerosol Spray. It's clean linen here. This is 8 ounces. Now, I'm all for sprays, like freshening sprays, but there is a specific story to this spray. Recently, my apartment building suffered from a huge fire, and it happened about a month ago. And our apartment was on the top floor. It's okay, but the bottom 2 floors of our building are like incinerated. And the smoke was so powerful. I need to tell you the story so you understand how well this product works. The smoke was so powerful and it reached our apartment and it was so strong. And eventually the fire was put out and we were left with this extremely pungent smell. So everything just was covered in this soot and it just smelled so bad. And I could not sleep in my apartment because of the smell. Even when everything was cleaned up, the smell was there and it was unbearable. And that's when I bought this. I chose clean linen because I felt like it was the type of homey smell I needed. At the time, I love the smell of fresh, clean clothes, and it worked really well to cover that up. And so I definitely recommend this in particular because of the effect it had with the smokiness. So that smell, if I had put something tropical or some kind of fruity smell with it, it probably wouldn't have blended very well with that pungent, burning smell. And so when I had this, it really, really, really helped. So that's just to show you like how strong this is and how amazing how helpful it is. And the smell didn't blend in or disappear. It did last, and it says on here it lasts up to 7 hours of freshness. And with such a strong smell, I would say maybe it lasted 5, but I reused it a little bit more and it was fine. Then again, I'm not one of those people that just completely sprays everything down all the time because I like to breathe clean air, well, as much as I can, at least in those situations. Right now I keep it in my bathroom just with my other cleaning supplies in there, and it was really dusty, so this did kind of give the illusion that things were clean, which was still nice while we were cleaning them. It's not something we just neglected to do and use this to cover it up, but it was nice to have the illusion that things were cleaner. Aromatherapy is a real thing. It really does affect you. I definitely would shake it before using it. Now it comes in this white aerosol container and then it has a blue lid. It's very sleek design, and when you spray it, point it away from people and not at people, and point it away from yourself. And then it's like this mist that comes out, but it immediately disappears, so you can't see it anywhere. It doesn't get anything wet or humid, and I can already smell it. It smells great. And I did find this when I was just looking for an air freshener. I didn't really know what to expect when I got it, but this is working out for me. And my fire wasn't that long ago, considering the effects it had. It was about a month ago. So, there's still lingering problems with that. And it's just nice to know that I have this just in case. Also, when you have guests over, you want your place to smell nice. I do like this more like in the colder months. It's not as tropical scented as a lot of them, so it makes things feel a lot more fresh. And a lot comes out with just one spray. Like you saw it, all this mist just came out, and that was a lot. It really does have a strong effect. So they say you need to kind of have a sweeping motion when you spray it. For me, I don't even need to spray that much, but you know, you do what you have to do for the area you're in. It is definitely too bulky to carry around with me in my purse, and I don't think I would use it outside, so. But I don't suggest traveling with this. It's a large aerosol container. I don't know if they make smaller ones, but you know, this is okay. You don't need to carry this around with you. Just keep it with the rest of your cleaning supplies and make it accessible so you know when you want to use it. It is flammable. Keep it away from fire. The can is steel and it is recyclable. Don't let kids use it. I would keep it in a cool, dry place. You never know how temperatures or your environment will affect the packaging or the container. It contains no CFCs, which deplete the ozone layer, which is something that I'm always worrying about when it comes to buying aerosol containers, because a lot of products are just really harsh and they're not great for the environment or the ozone layer. And you know, you just want to make sure you're not harming that when you use these types of products. And SC Johnson is a family company, and they've been around since 1886. So yeah, it's made by SC Johnson. The filling process uses more than 30% of renewable energy, and it's just a great addition to my household. Thank you so much for watching this video.